This is the floor. Look at the roof. Oh my God. Holy shit. It's blowing in like crazy. Blizzard of 2016, Ewing Township, New Jersey. Build Down Entertainment Part 2 video. See if I can shut it on the snow. Flattened it.